welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sasha. If you guys are new around here, I focus on cruelty-free beauty and lifestyle here on my channel. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about my favorite blush ever, and these are the Glossier Cloud Paints. Now these are nothing new. In fact, I've been wearing them for years, but I wanted to do a whole video on it today because it's hands down the best blush I've ever tried, and I feel like not a lot of people know about it, and I need to put you guys on. In this video, I wanted to show you 3 different methods that you can use to apply this blush. I do have 4 shades out of all 6 that they have, so I'm going to be doing some swatches for you guys today and just talk a little bit more about these guys and what they are. So really quickly, before I go into how to apply the blush, I wanted to talk a little bit more about the formula. So this is a gel cream blush, and they come in these little paint tubes, which is why it's called Cloud Paint. These also retail for $18 on the Glossier website. I believe they have a deal where you can buy a duo, so you can choose your 2 different colors and you get a discount if you buy 2, which is a really good deal to me. So the first way to apply this is with your fingers. This is the recommended way to apply it. These were made to be mess proof. Basically, if you can finger paint, you can't mess this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the color Beam with my fingers. And this is a peachy color, so this is my favorite one because I love anything kind of peachy and warm. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this exactly where I want it. I'm squeezing a little bit of this out as I'm applying it. Are so mess proof, I promise. You can never apply too much. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with my fingers. Now these go on very sheer, but if I wanted more color, I can just apply more, and it's very buildable with the way this looks. This might be a little too much blush for some people, but I love it, and I feel like it just gives me this really nice glow. Right, so that's the first method, just using your fingers. As you can see, it was really easy to apply. So the second way that you could apply Cloud Paint is with a brush, and not just any brush to me, but a stippling brush works really well. This one is by Real Techniques, and this is really great for any sort of liquid, so it's going to be perfect for Cloud Paint. The color I'm going to go ahead and apply this time is called Dusk, and Dusk is a very neutral, almost like beigey kind of color, and it just looks so natural on the skin. And I'm just gonna pick it up with my brush, and from here, I'm just gonna apply it to the apples of my cheeks. As you can see, the color on the tube is a little bit lighter than the actual color. I'm gonna apply a little bit more so you guys can kind of see the color just kind of pop. I also apologize, the light keeps changing. I film in natural lighting, so you might see it going dark and then light again. I apologize for that. I would have to say Dusk is one of my favorites. It's just neutral and it matches so many different makeup looks. All right, so we're starting off with a fresh canvas again, and the last way that you can apply this is with a damp beauty blender. This is probably like my least favorite way to apply it, only because a beauty blender can suck up a lot of product in the sponge. But if you do want to use a beauty blender, I recommend applying it on your cheeks first, exactly where you want it, and then using the sponge to blend it out. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And the next shade I'm going to try out for you guys is Puff. Puff is a nice pinky shade. And from here, I'm just going to place the blush exactly where I want it. So this color Puff is really good for anybody that has like a very fair skin tone, light skin tone, or even medium skin tone. So if you were a deeper complexion, it wouldn't show up as well as maybe Storm, which I'm going to show you guys. This is one of my absolute favorite ones. So I just used my finger over the beauty blender, and it actually shows up a little bit more, and I like that. So I actually prefer fingers over a beauty blender. I feel like this just sucked up so much product and I had to keep adding more, but now I feel like you can really see the color. All right, so this is the color Puff, and as you can see, it's just a very pretty, subtle pink and just adds a really nice glow to the skin. All right, guys, so those are the 3 different ways that you can apply Cloud Paint. You could use your fingers, which is recommended, very easy. You can use a brush, or you can use a damp beauty blender. I'm also going to go ahead and apply the last color that I have here for you, which is Storm. This is a warm rosy color, and it's just my absolute favorite, which is why I saved it for last. So this is how the color looks on my skin, and I'm just going to be picking this up with my finger. I'm going to go ahead and just apply it using my finger. So this is what it looks like, not blended, but once you blend it into the skin, it just looks really natural and pretty and rosy. Again, there's no way to mess up with these. They're just really easy. I wanted to save this last little tip. This looks gorgeous on the lips, so I'm gonna apply a little bit on the lips as well. And it just creates this really pretty tint. As you guys can see, it's not glossy, it just gives your lips a little bit of color. So I'm a fan of applying this on the lips. This color also looks really gorgeous on the eyes. So I do have eyeshadow right now, but if I didn't, and I just applied a little bit all over, the whole look is very monochromatic and just gorgeous. So I love Storm. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short video on how to apply Glossier cloud paints, as well as seeing some swatches on myself. Like I said, I do have 4 out of all 6 shades that they carry. The other 2 I really want to pick up. One is called Dawn, and it's like a really pretty coral. The other one is like a deep berry color, and both are really pretty and I need them. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more tips and tricks like this. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you want to join the fam, make sure that you subscribe so you can see more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!